Imagine diving into the warm waters of a coral reef and spotting a bright orange fish darting playfully among the tentacles of what looks like a deadly sea creature. Most fish would flee in terror, but not the clownfish. Instead, it calls this venomous anemone home. Why would a small fish choose to live with such a dangerous neighbor? The answer lies in one of nature's most remarkable partnerships. Clownfish, also known as anemone fish, are small, colorful marine fish found primarily in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. These vibrant creatures, made famous by the movie Finding Nemo, belong to the subfamily Amphiprionidae and include about 30 different species. Sea anemones, on the other hand, are marine animals that look like underwater flowers but are actually predators. They're equipped with hundreds of stinging tentacles called cnidocytes, which contain nematocysts, tiny harpoon-like structures that inject venom into prey. For most fish, touching these tentacles means certain death or serious injury. Yet clownfish not only touch these deadly tentacles, they live among them, sleep in them, and even use them as nurseries for their young. So how do clownfish survive what would kill other fish? The secret lies in their unique mucus coating. Clownfish have developed a special layer of mucus on their skin that prevents the anemone's stinging cells from firing. This isn't something they're born with, it's acquired through a careful acclimatization process. When a young clownfish first approaches an anemone, it performs what scientists call a acclimation dance. The fish gently touches the anemone's tentacles for brief moments, gradually building up the protective mucus layer. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. During this time, the clownfish's mucus becomes chemically similar to the anemone's own mucus, essentially making the fish invisible to the anemone's defensive systems. Some researchers believe the mucus may also contain compounds that mimic the anemone's own chemical signals, preventing the stinging response entirely. Others suggest that the clownfish's mucus may lack certain proteins that normally trigger the nematocysts to fire. This relationship between clownfish and anemones is called mutualism, a type of symbiosis where both species benefit. Let's explore what each partner gains from this arrangement. First and foremost, the anemone provides protection. The stinging tentacles create an impenetrable fortress against predators like groupers, eels, and sharks. When threatened, clownfish can quickly dart between the tentacles, safe from harm. The anemone also provides food. Clownfish feed on the anemone's leftover meals, algae growing on the anemone, and dead tentacles. They even eat the anemone's waste products, which provide essential nutrients. Finally, anemones offer prime real estate. In the competitive world of coral reefs, having a guaranteed safe space to call home is invaluable. Key clownfish-anemone relationship involves fascinating social dynamics. Most anemones host a small family group of clownfish, typically consisting of a breeding pair and several juveniles. These fish live in a strict hierarchy, with the largest, most dominant individual being the female. Interestingly, all clownfish are born male, but the dominant male can transform into a female when needed, a process called sequential hermaphroditism. If the breeding female dies, the dominant male will change sex to take her place, ensuring the continuation of their family line. Each family jealously guards their anemone territory, and finding a suitable host anemone is so challenging that young clownfish will often wait years for an opportunity to join an established group or claim an anemone of their own. The partnership between clownfish and anemones represents millions of years of evolutionary cooperation. It's a testament to nature's ability to create unexpected alliances, where apparent enemies become the closest of partners. This relationship reminds us that in nature, survival often depends not on being the strongest or fastest, but on finding the right partner and building mutually beneficial relationships. The next time you see a clownfish nestled safely in its anemone home, remember that you're witnessing one of the ocean's most successful partnerships, a living example of how cooperation can triumph over competition in the struggle for survival.